Most people think budgeting means cutting out everything fun. No coffee, no eating out, no life. But that's not budgeting. That's just suffering. Real budgeting is actually just telling your money where to go before it disappears. And today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it, even if you've never budgeted a single day in your life. What's up? I'm Amdi from DollarLoom, where we break down money stuff so it actually makes sense. Let's get into it. Here's a question. Do you know exactly where your paycheck goes every month? Most people don't. You get paid, you pay rent, you buy some groceries, and then somehow 2 weeks later, you're like, where did it all go? That's the problem. Without a budget, you're basically flying blind with your money. And you can't build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. A budget fixes that. It's literally just a plan for your money. That's it. So here's the easiest budgeting method for beginners. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. Split your take-home pay into 3 buckets. 50% needs. This is rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, the stuff you have to pay. If you make $3,000 a month, that's $1,500 for needs. 30% wants. Eating out, Netflix, shopping, weekend trips, fun stuff. You're allowed to enjoy your money. $900 here. 20% savings and debt. This is where you build your future. Savings account, emergency fund, paying off debt. $600 goes here. Simple, right? Now look, these percentages aren't perfect for everyone. If you live in a high-rent city, your needs might be 60%. That's okay. This is just a starting point, not a law. All right, so here's how to actually set up your budget in like 15 minutes. Step 1, know your income. Write down exactly how much money comes in every month after taxes. If it changes, use your lowest recent month as your base. Step 2, list your fixed expenses. Rent, car payment, subscriptions, loan payments. These are the same every month. Write them all down. Step 3, track your spending for 1 week. Just 1 week. Look at your bank statements. Most people are shocked. The little purchases add up fast. Step 4, use the 50-30-20 buckets. Assign every dollar to a category. You don't need a fancy app. A Notes app or a Google Sheet works perfectly fine. Step 5, review it every week for 1 month. That's it. Once a week, check in. Are you over in one category? Adjust the next week. After 30 days, you'll know your money better than you ever have. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They make this super detailed, perfect budget, and then they go over by $20 on food and just give up. Don't do that. Budgeting is a skill. You're going to mess up the first month. That's normal. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Every month you do this, you get better, and slowly your financial life just starts to make more sense. So, quick recap. Use the 50-30-20 rule as your starting point. Track your spending, adjust as you go, and don't quit just because 1 week goes sideways. If this helped, hit that like button. It actually helps this channel a lot. And subscribe to DollarLoom because we've got a whole series coming on building wealth from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.